Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you a glitched achievement in Halo 4. Now on my main account, you will see here in a second, achievements, Halo 4, 63 of 67. Takes its sweet time loading up. Okay. So, where is that one? Birds of Prey. Majestic DLC matchmaking. Perform 5 air assassinations. Yeah, sounds like a pretty tough one to get right. And I thrust at V. Didn't see it coming. Well, that one I can't really show you, but I thrust at V and Bird of Prey. No, I thrust at V didn't work either. That had to be done online. So anyway, Bird of Prey, that's the main one I'm going to show you right now. The only ones I got left is friggin' 20 Mantis Stomp attacks, killed an airborne Warthog, and complete the campaign solo legendary, and get the 4 Wraith kills on mission 5. But regardless, zoom it back out. So on my second controller here, I have a second account that I made up. It's called Affable Orange One. Whatever, it's not online, so it's not going to get anything. Right there, Halo 4, 0 of 67 achievements. This is the one that's going to be doing the glitch. Or showing that you can get the glitch since I already got it on my main account. So the easiest... oh, crap. Anyway, the easiest one to do is go to Custom Games Map Skyline, 'cause it's the smallest majestic map you can do this on. Make sure one character has a loadout with a jetpack equipped. This is just my little bullshit thing. And once you're done, back out again, start game. This is gonna be kind of tough to do with one hand, and you can't hear anything because I have the sound going through these right now. Yes, my Halo 4 themed Triton headset. Very nice, very awesome. Okay, so anyway, the top one, you equip the one with the jetpack. Bottom guy has nothing really, so either way, what you do is you take the person that's going to be doing the killing and just move them out into the open area in the center. Either side, red or blue, doesn't matter. So then you take the other guy. Doing this one-handed kind of sucks. Going the wrong way here. Okay. And get him in the line of sight. Yeah, shoot his armor down a little bit. Now, here's going to be the tricky part to get a shot in. See if I can do this. Hold on a second there. See if I can set up a little makeshift stand here. Get it to work. It's best I'm going to be able to get. So anyway, this guy's going to sit there and shoot. Get a jetpack with the first guy. Never mind, I just fucked that all up. I'm dumb. That's not even how you get that one. This is you have to get the air assassinations. Okay, anyway, regardless. But this guy with the jetpack. You have the top guy jetpack, and you jump and assassinate. That was one. That's two. Da-da-da. Three. Do. 4 and all goes according to plan, which I'm pretty sure it will. Go back here, jetpack, jump, assassinate, and boom. Right there at the bottom of the screen, achievement popped. 4, is it back in? Not that one. Affable Orange 1. Achievement. 50 gamer score. Halo 4. Bird of Prey. 5 air assassinations in Majestic DLC matchmaking. I'm going to... This camera sucks, sorry. Yeah. Got end game. Victory. Either way. Yeah, it's my crappy little TV because my buddy took his other one back that I used. I had a 50-inch Bravia for a while. Now I'm back down to a 40-inch Vizio. But whatevs. Oh, it's like the biggest smaller than that actually. Okay. Hard to see, but there you go. Affable Orange 1's overview. Mainly the browse medals. Air assassination 5. And the thing is, it's not even on matchmaking. Again, custom game. So, easily do this with just 2 controllers, split screening on your own Xbox. So, hopefully this doesn't get patched anytime soon, and hope you guys really enjoy this. And if you don't have this achievement yet, there you go, I just gave you the easy out. Well, anyway guys, take it easy, and best of luck to you.